Hey guys, welcome to the obligatory course overview lecture. Let's talk real briefly about what we're going to cover in this course. All right, in section 1, we're going to go way back in time to finally understand the thing you've been trying so hard to ignore, your computer. We'll learn about machine code, why the Matrix predicted everything we experience today, why your mom can't figure out how to use Windows, let alone that penguin thing, Red Hat Linux, and how two thieves with oversized glasses changed computers forever. In section 2, we're going to cover how the internet works, why Al Gore invented it, and how is it that browsers and websites actually work. Section 3, we're off to understand how tech stacks resemble sandwiches, what front-end and back-end programming entails, and lastly, what are the most common languages people learn besides French. Section 4, I'm going to ever so gently hold your hand and start to dip our toes into the basic concepts of programming. Section 5, we're going to explain the ever increasingly important concept of the API, and then we're going to tackle the great trio of confusion, frameworks, libraries, and integrated development environments. Section 6, we're going to tackle content management systems, how WordPress is the lord of the internet, and the reason why Shopify, Squarespace, and Weebly are why we can't have nice things. Section 7, we're going to cover advanced concepts worth knowing like object-oriented programming, model view controller paradigms, continuous integration, Git commits, and a whole bunch of other things that will make you feel really smart. Or really stupid. Section 8, we're going to talk about all the tech trends and what's happening nowadays with the cool kids. Responsive design, platform as a service technology like Parse, full stack JavaScript, hybrid apps, Swift, and drugs. Section 9, we're going to wrap up by going to talk about, for those of you who want to learn how to program, how do you pick what to learn? Where do you go to start? And for those of you who do not want to learn how to program and instead want to hire programmers, we'll also cover where you can go to spam the people we were just previously talking about. All right, guys, I hope that gets you excited. And if it doesn't, well, this is awkward because we're moving on to the next lecture. See you then.
I know Kung Fu.